Ito na.
Ako na.
You.
Okay. Vinny's blindfold dance is honestly so impressive. Right from the start, you're already drawn in by the creativity, especially how the choreography moves in circles. Even though it was a short performance, it left such a strong impact. Bitin talaga. That's why I had to look the video and watch it again. Each member gave their all, but Sheena really stood out to me. Her movements were sharp and expressive, even with the blindfold on. What amazed me even more was how the entire group stayed in sync the whole time, despite not being able to see. You can really tell how much practice and chemistry they have as a group. I end watching it over and over just to appreciate every detail, solid performance, clean, creative, and super nakakabilib. Ikaw naman.
Your rating from 1 to 100.
Of course, it's 100.
As for Vinny, they were so synchronized talaga that they even perform with blindfolds. It's amazing kasi they don't bump into each other. They really know their positions well. At none of them made a mistake. Turns out na, ayun nga, kung ano ba, na-speechless ako. I thought there were only 4. I only realized,
Ikutan kasi sila.
I only realized it when I saw their names. And that all of them tried dancing with blindfolds. I was really impressed kasi yung dance steps weren't easy at all. The choreography was definitely on another level. I'll give them a rating from 1 to 100. 100 because what they did in their dance wasn't easy at all.